Today we are going to begin with off-page optimization. I've told you that 90% of SEO is off-page, and within off-page 90% is backlinks. So in off-page the work is done outside the site. Each of these sites where you are going to work, you are going to get points from them. So these points are in the form of backlinks. So backlink, hyperlink, or a general link is all the same. Whenever your web pages links are present into another websites, then that is treated as a point. The HTML code of the backlink is like this. So these are nothing but links of your web pages present into another websites. They can be in the form of a text link, they can be in the form of an image link. Both of them are given equal priority. If it is in the form of an image, you got to mention your keyword in the ELT tag of the image. But if it is in the form of a text, you got to mention your keyword within the bracket. In the front end, what looks like a link, in the back end the code is in this format in HTML. Example. Like this. Let us see a live example. I have a site seosanjay.com and this is the home page. I also have an internal page. Whenever someone is searching for SEO training in Hyderabad, I want my home page to show up. So for this, I need to create the backlink code. So how is it going to be? Like this. I give my web page address. The last slash, whether you give or not, doesn't matter. For which topic do you want the backlink? Like this. So whatever is the topic for which you want to get the point, that has to be given in the between the brackets. And for which page you want, that has to be given in the double quotes. You may target home page, you may target internal page. If I'm targeting internal page, then this is my page address. I can form the backlink in this way. This is a backlink for the internal page. For which topic? SEO training, stock market training in Hyderabad. I may also want to rank on top for share market training in Hyderabad. Separately, I have to form backlinks like this. I may also want the home page to rank on top for digital marketing. So a single page can target as many keywords as possible to rank on top. But for every keyword, it has to form the backlink separately. Let us see how the links look like in any web page. So I'm copying this. What I do is, rather than begging for a backlink to other websites, why not I create my own other website and from there I get a link. So I'm going into my blogger and let me take a new post, relevant post. Some posts relevant to SEO and stock market, and because it is a HTML code, I am placing the link here. The backlink code in the HTML section. In the front end, you'll only be able to see links. So only whatever that you have given in the between the bracket, only that is seen in the front end in the form of a link. You may have some text matter in between, doesn't matter. The location of the backlink does not matter at all. You may place it at the top, in between, at the bottom, right side, left side, doesn't matter at all. But there are other things which matter, but not the location, not the size, nor the color. So what is the color of the link? Where is the link present? What is the size of the backlink? There is zero importance in SEO for these things. But there are other things which matter, which we'll be seeing shortly. I click on publish. Only when the page is live, the backlink will be counted. Otherwise it will not be, because search engines cannot see. Now this is the page where there are two links present. Both of them leading to the same site but different pages. This is the home page, this is the internal page. But like this, how many links can we place in a page? Can we place multiple backlinks in the same page? Oh yes. A single page can give unlimited backlinks. So this is also a backlink, this is also a backlink. So there are two backlinks in the single page. Whenever a search is made on share market training in Hyderabad, how many points SEOsanjay.com would get? You may get an answer as 1, but the answer is 0. Because share market training in Hyderabad, the point is to the internal page, not the home page. So I've got the point for the home page for the topic SEO, digital marketing training in Hyderabad. So when a search is made on digital marketing training in Hyderabad, 1 point for this page, 0 point for this page. Search engines are never going to join the points for all the pages. They are going to compute the marks separately for every page. So you have one page with heavy marks in SEO has got no benefit to the other pages. Every page has to struggle hard. Every page has to get its backlinks separately. Only the pages which have got the backlinks are going to perform, the rest of the pages will not. I told you, more than 8 crore keywords Wikipedia ranks on top. So there are millions of internal pages. However, this is also in fact, more than 80% of the pages of Wikipedia do not come in the top 10. So do not think that if the site is branded or some of the pages are very popular, then other pages will also get the benefit. No, it is not so. Every page acquire the backlinks separately. Your page 1 may have got 1 lakh backlinks. Page 2 you do not have any backlinks, then that marks will be 0 only for page 2. Based on that 0 mark only, you will be getting the position in the search engine. Search engine are not going to see that one page has got 1 lakh points. So why not we give some influence to the second page? There is an influence factor we'll talk about later. But for now understand that every page acquire the backlinks separately. You may have thousands of pages in your site. Firstly, target only limited pages with limited keywords. Once you are ranking on top for them, then catch the next set of keywords. Always do the work serially. Serial doesn't mean one by one keyword. In phases you need to do it. Some 5 to 10 good keywords in the phase 1. Once you see the desired ranking, satisfactory results, then catch the next set of keywords. Then the third set of keywords. Like this only you need to proceed. But yes, on page of course you can do it for all the pages simultaneously while that you are publishing the page. In phases, you got to work in the off page. Because at once, if you are targeting hundreds of pages in the off page, all the 100 pages will move slowly on the top. You may not have so much of patience to wait for the page to come in the top 10. So better do aggressive SEO, but for limited keywords, and then the next set of keywords, then the next set of keywords. Like that only you need to proceed. So let's say these two are very important pages in my site, seosanjay.com and stock market training. So I'll be only focusing these two pages to rank on top. Once that my page is showing up in the top 3, top 5, then I may catch the next set of keywords. Let's see more. So a single page can give as many backlinks as possible. Right now I've got 2 points altogether for my website, but for home page 1 point, for internal page 1 point. Search engines are not going to mix the points. Every keyword, the points will be calculated separately. Now just observe here what I'm doing. I'm editing this, copying this link, placing it here. Now when I refresh the site, I see that the links have been placed twice. Now will this be counted as 1 plus 1, 2 points? Or only 1 point because it is repeated? Or 0 points because it is spam? This is not spam. Spam is something different, we'll talk about it later. This is link duplication. However, search engines are not going to penalize your site because you are continuously repeating the keyword, repeating the link. However, though it has been placed twice, but only 1 will be counted because the source page, the destination page and the keyword, all the 3 are same. So here the source page is same, the keyword is same, and the destination page, whichever page that I am opening up, is all the same. See, the same page is opening up. So whenever all the 3 look to be same, the keyword as well as the source page as well as the destination page, if all the 3 are same, even though you type it 1000 times, only 1 will be counted. It is not spam though, but only 1 will be counted. But out of these 3, if any one is also changing, then it will be multiple points. It is like saying elections. We have the EVM machine. Let's say that some person from a village, he sees that no one is looking at him, and secretly he pushes the button. Whomever he wants to cast the vote, that button he pushes it 10 times. Will 10 votes fall for him? No. It's only 1 vote which will be counted. He is ignorant. He may not know about it. But till the guy, whoever is operating the EVM, till he resets, how many ever clicks may come before reset, it will be only counted as 1. Likewise here also, when the keyword is same, the source page is same, the destination page is same, you are only wasting time by placing a lot of links. Only 1 is going to be counted. But to make it as a multiple link, I am doing a slight editing here. Now when I refresh the page, there are 3 links, not 2. This is 1, 2 and 3. Now do not count them as 1, they are 2 different links. Though the source page is same, the destination page is also same, but the keyword is different. When a search is made on SEO training stock market training in Hyderabad, I will be given 1 point for my internal page. Whenever someone is searching for share market training in Hyderabad, 1 more point. So stock market in training in Hyderabad 1 point, share market training in Hyderabad also 1 point. Total 2 points, but search engines won't see total points. They'll divide the points with regard to keyword. Whichever keyword is being searched for that as a keyword, how many matches have you got? That is what is the number of backlinks you have got. Based on this number only the off-page marks are assigned. Based on this marks only the ranking is computed. So you got to acquire as many backlinks with regard to your keyword from different websites. But the biggest question here is, sir, who is going to give us backlinks like this? That who part will come only after 2 days. For now, only worry about what. What is a backlink? Let us have a clear understanding of that. Backlinks topic is taken just for 5 minutes in most of the training institutes that I've seen. What the feedback I've got from the students. They just tell you that this is the structure of the backlink and this is the backlink finished. There are several unanswered questions. When I ask general questions on backlink, even a 4-5 years experience SEO candidate is totally baffled. How is that possible? What could be the answer for this question? So let's be very clear what exactly is a backlink. Because when you know how many points you are getting from a page, you'll be able to judge whether it is worth spending time to acquire a backlink from that page or not. Because shortly you'll get to know that it's very easy to acquire thousands of backlinks. But it has got no importance in SEO. So you have to be very clear what is a backlink, from where you have to get a backlink. Otherwise you'll just be working, but you don't know what is the destination. You don't know where this path is leading to. So this altogether there are 3 backlinks here. Now what I'm doing is, let me copy only one link and take a new post. Now there is another page in my site, Dalal Street Today, where there is one link called as Stock Market Training in Hyderabad. In the same site I also have another page where the backlink is same and the destination page is also the same. Now will this be counted as 2 points? Yes, it is 2 points. Why? Though the anchor text is same, though the destination page is also same, however, what is different is a page from where I am getting a backlink. Remember, search engines don't know what is a website. For them, everything is web page. Even the home page is a page for them. So they don't know the definition for the website at all. They are only aware of web pages. So this is one page address and this is another page address. Both these pages have got their own set of links. So altogether, I have got 2 points for stock market training in Hyderabad. One from this page, another from this page. Likewise, if I place the same link into 100 different web pages, then it will be 100 points for that particular keyword. Hope there is no confusion. Are these also backlinks? No. Why? Because this is internal link. Backlinks are external. The one who is giving a backlink, for him it is an external link. And the one who is receiving a backlink, for him it is a backlink. So we have to acquire backlinks, not give backlinks. This is only an example that I am showing. Other web pages must place links to your page. Then only your ranking is going to improve. Every time this question would come, why would anyone give link? I told you, for that you got to have time for at least next 2 classes. There are 7 ways by which a website is going to give us a backlink for free. What benefit do they get? Why do they give? All these answers will be clear when I come only to the topic, the 7 different ways of acquiring backlinks in off page. I told you, now your focus should only be that what is a backlink, how the backlink number is calculated and how the value is calculated. We are right now only discussing about the number, later we'll discuss about the value of backlink. If I want to get backlink, 1000 backlinks from this website which has got 1000 pages, let us say, just in less than 1 minute I can get 1000 backlinks from this website if it has got 1000 pages. What I will do, I'll place the backlink in the sidebar or somewhere here or somewhere here or maybe in the footer which is common to every page of the website. I'm going to place a backlink in that area which is common to every page, that is in the theme. Then automatically from every page of this site I will be getting the backlink. Now you know why this kind of applications are providing you free software. Why Blogger is providing you free application. Why there are free themes available. Why the social buttons are available for free. Why Cricut Score is available for free. For all these questions there is only one answer. They want backlinks. So whenever you are using the theme, at the bottom you may see the theme developed by, designed by, and a backlink will be there. Cricut Score, visit full score, one link will be there. Likewise dollar rate, stock market quotation, whatever. If anybody is giving you information, live and updated information for free, he has got some personal motive behind it. And in majority of the cases, the reason is the same, that is they want backlink from your page. How would that benefit them? That you'll understand only after 2 classes. But for now, it is very clear that you need to acquire as many backlinks as possible with regard to your keyword. You are targeting multiple keywords for the same web page. For each of these keywords, you need to acquire backlinks separately. So to say it is very easy, a single page can target 100 keywords also. But 100 times hard work is also required. Every keyword separately, the backlinks have to get formed in different pages. Now, let us dig more into the backlinks. This is going to be interesting. I've given as training in Hyderabad as a keyword. How many points has my website got? How many points SEOsanjay.com site has got? Is it 1 point, 2 points or 0 point? It's not going to be 0 because I've told you this backlink multiplication is not going to be considered as spam. Spam is something different. But will this be counted as 1 plus 1, 2 points? Or only 1 point will be counted? Because the keyword is same. The source page is same. But the destination page is different. That is why this will be treated as multiple points. One link is leading to the home page. The other link is leading to the internal page. So this will get 1 point, this will get 1 point. So these are 2 points, don't count them as 1. That's where a lot of people get confused. Though the anchor text is same, the source page is same, but the destination page is different. I told you in these 3, source page, keyword and destination page, any one has to change. Here the destination page is changing. That is why it is 2 points. But what is the purpose of this? What is the point of getting backlink for 2 different pages for the same keyword? We are making our own site fight among themselves. This page is fighting with this page to come on the top. This page is fighting with this page to rank on top. What is the use? You must have seen, like in school days, in my class it has happened, that twin sisters were the classmates. So my own class. And both of them very intelligent. So one used to fight with the other to rank on, to come in the first in the class. They used to come first, second, fight with each other. This is how it happens even in SEO. We may want our own website, different pages to fight for the same keyword. Then, sir, we are going to do double the hard work. Yes, double the hard work. But the advantage would be rank 1, rank 2, in top 10 position, both will belong to you. What all pages that you are targeting for the same keyword, those all pages will be coming in the top 10. How many of pages you are targeting? So, but what is the use? Because the same person who is going to open the first result is going to open the second result. Both the sites are mine. Agreed. What is the point in doing double the hard work for the same visitor? But you need to understand logically what is going to happen here. Whenever a person sees for stock market training in Hyderabad is searching in Google, he sees that first result is seosanjay.com, second result is seosanjay.com/stock market training, third result is seosanjay.com/stock market syllabus, fourth result is seosanjay.com/online stock market training. He is totally impressed with my service. His mind is set that I need to get the training done at so and so institute. So this is going to create a better impression. This is going to improve the conversion ratio. If I have only one listing out of top 10, maybe out of 100, one joinee I'll be getting. But if I have 5 listings, I may get 10 joinees. So I'm doing 5 times hard work, but I'm getting 10 times more benefit. When you have multiple spots in the top 10, a user will easily get impressed. So for that reason, lot of sites are there who try to compete with their own pages targeting the same keyword. So this is how it is done. It is allowed in SEO. You can target all the 10 positions in the search engine. Same page is not going to repeat for any keyword. If you have got rank 1 for any page for any keyword, now that particular page is not going to show up even till the last for that keyword. So for any keyword, a URL can come only once in the search engine. So I need to target the keyword for different pages of the same site. Hope now this confusion is also clear. Now the last confusion. So far we have seen how to get the backlink with anchor text. Now what I am doing is, I am mentioning my URL because that is what a link means. Your web page reference is present into another web page. Now this is a backlink. It is my web page reference in other website. Is this a backlink? No, it is not a backlink. It is in the form of a text. Backlink is like this, clickable. If there is no such action taken, then it is only a plain text URL. You are not going to get any points in SEO. Maybe some people will visit this page and they'll visit your site. That secondary benefit you may have, but no advantage in SEO because this is in plain text form. To get the advantage, the link has to be clickable like this. This hand mark has to come. So in order to make it a link, what I'm doing is selecting it, clicking on link without providing any address. No destination page has been mentioned. I have only made that plain text as a link. So there is no anchor text now. If there is no anchor text, for which point will I be getting the marks? This is now a backlink because it is now clickable. But if it is a backlink, there has to be an anchor text also. The search engine in the database has to have that column filled. This page has got a backlink, but for which topic, what will they write? Here there is a topic, here there is a topic, here I don't find any topic. The URL itself is a keyword in this case. See, you can see here very clearly. If you go into the backend, the anchor text, look at this. The destination URL and the anchor text both are same. So no doubt you have got a backlink from this link, but this backlink is for the topic https://seosanjay.com. If someone is searching like this in Google, that time this point will be considered. Your page will anyway rank on top. There's no point in acquiring the backlinks with your URL. However, some websites are reluctant to provide anchor text links. So they may provide you links like this only. Without any meaningful topic, they are going to provide you the backlink for the URL. So there are no direct benefits, but there are indirect benefits which we'll understand later. But this is also a backlink. Now that for which topic it is a backlink, for this URL only it is a backlink. So the keyword as well as the destination page both are same in this case. So don't think that backlink will always come for some meaningful word. It can come even for URL. Now, whenever the backlink comes in the form of an image, you click on an image, a particular page opens up, then that is also a backlink. Same like how you have provided the text link, click on the image and provide the destination page address. While in case of an image, the keyword is written in the ALT tag. So we have discussed this point in the step 6 in on page. So whenever the backlink you want it in the form of an image, give it in the ALT tag. That itself is the anchor text. And text link or image link, both of them equal priority, no difference. You got to aim to acquire as many backlinks as possible. More the number of backlinks you get, more the points you get in the off page. For more keywords you will be ranking on top, which will get you more traffic. More traffic means again more backlinks. More backlinks means again top rank for different set of keywords. Again more traffic. So this becomes a cycle. Just like how an electric battery gets charged. You put a battery in the automobile, car or say scooter, two-wheeler. The battery gets automatically charged with the wheel rotating. That's why it runs for a very long time. That is how it happens here. Once that you are able to get top ranking for few keywords, then that will come under a vicious circle. The visitors are going to improve. When visitors are going to improve, a lot of links will get generated through 7 different methods. That will again help you to maintain the rank on the top. Again new traffic, new links. Like that this cycle will keep on getting rotated. It will become like a natural cycle. So SEO is only a push that we need to give. Then it all runs on autopilot. Today Wikipedia, Jazdal, Sulekha, they don't do backlinks. Their site has become so famous that with millions of visitors every day, automatically thousands of backlinks they are getting it for their pages, even without asking. Today Cricket Score, like we have placed the code here. It did lot of hard work to get onto the top. Now the visitors are coming, they are developing backlinks. With new backlinks, he is able to sustain on the top. So again more visitors, again backlinks. So likewise the ranking will get maintained automatically. So you got to only give a thrust to your website. So once that it is coming in the top 3 for important set of keywords, then you may reduce your SEO work. It is a general public which will automatically help your pages to acquire new links on a day-to-day basis. We are not done with the backlinks. There is still a lot of confusion. The next confusion. If any website is giving us a backlink, giving us a link, then it is a backlink is what we have known. If you go into Google and you search with my website address, forget keyword, at least with website address when you search, you'll definitely find my page in the address. That means in some page of Google, I've got a backlink. So it is very easy to get the backlink from the search engines. Just submit sitemap and every page 1111 link from each of the search engine. Is that so? If acquiring links is so easy, then I would say that only submit your website to different search engines. That's it. So backlinks are of two types. Do follow backlink, no follow backlink. There are 2-3 differences between these two, but to give you the main difference, a do follow backlink will have a direct reference to the website. Like here, when I click on a link, directly my destination page will open up. See here, there's no intermediary page. While a no follow link has got some intermediary page, like say some popular website, if you visit, we may see. This is a direct reference. Sometimes you find some intermediate URL in between. This is a direct reference. So the results of the search engine are by default no follow. When you open these pages, it happens for a fraction of a second. Try to check it from your end. You got to be very fast. The moment you open any URL, some google.co.in page will be there. From there, DSIJ will open up. Every result is like that. It's there only for a fraction of a second. Maybe some slow net connection and all you'll be able to see. So by default, the search engine results, whether Google, Yahoo, Bing or whatsoever, though they may display your own web page links, but it is still not a backlink which will be counted in SEO. So search engine results, though they are backlinks, but they are not counted in the computation purpose. Backlinks are of two types: do follow, no follow. Search engine no follow backlinks are from the results. By default, the results, whatever that you see, those backlinks are no follow. So a search engine plus no follow backlink is zero value. But very important statement where a lot of people are confused even today. Even there are other sites like say Facebook, links are also no follow. So many websites will give you no follow backlink, but there is power in those links. I am saying that a search engine plus no follow backlink is of no use. Zero power. But if it is a search engine and giving a do follow backlink, then there is power. We'll see how to get do follow backlink from Google. But the results by default are no follow, which will have zero impact in the rank. So don't think that search engines, if you are able to see your page in the top 10, 20, 30, your link is present in one of the page in Google. No. That's a do follow, then there is power. But if it is some other site, not a search engine, and giving you a no follow backlink, there is power. Only the combination search in place no follow is no power. Search in place do follow, there is power. Other site place no follow, there is power. So backlinks are of two types, do follow and no follow. The definition I've given here. 90% of the SEO I told you is dependent upon backlinks. These are the backlinks which have direct reference to your page. This is like direct flight, this is like one-stop flight. Some intermediary page will come in between, which will there for a very short time. So that backlink is not directly passed. These are the backlinks where there is no direct reference to your site. In other words, the URL is encrypted. Both the backlinks are equal in value and have same importance in SEO. But do understand, by default, search engine links are no follow that have zero value in SEO. That is why the search engines are not counted at all. To know whether a link is do follow or no follow, scroll the mouse over the link and see the status bar. There are some toolbars. There are some plugins in Chrome. If you go into Google and search, no follow link checker, Moz, Chrome, browser extension, so many are there. So any tool you can use it. But there's no use of using this tool, because I told you very clearly that if it is any other website apart from search engine giving you no follow backlink, there is power for it. Some people still believe that no follow means zero power. Totally wrong statement. Yeah, this may be true that going forward the weightage for no follow backlink may reduce. May or may not, it is not yet confirmed. But for sure, do follow backlinks are going to exist and have highest value forever. So we should aim at getting do follow backlinks. But during our backlink development process, if there are no follow backlinks, you should acquire them as well. Don't ignore it, because they are not going to be the search engines. And if it is not a search engine, then no follow has got value. So let us have a mix of both, do follow as well as no follow backlinks. Only then it would look natural. Hope all the points are clear. Now, after all that, there is one question that I am going to ask you now, which has been a record, because in more than 2000 students that I've trained in SEO only, not even a single student has given the answer to the question that I'll be giving you now. Very simple question, but yes, answer doesn't look so easy. Let us see if you are able to answer. I've told you that backlink can come in the form of an image or it can come in the form of a text. Let me visit one of the page in Bate Vishas. There you should be able to see a backlink to home page. Okay, no private links, but at least let's say Google link. Google advertisements. There's an ad in Google coming from Google network, ads by Google. There's no doubt that if I click here, igpp.com will open up. I don't want to test it to maintain the credibility of the account. But for sure, if you click on this ad, this so and so page will open up. So can I say that from this page, I have given a backlink to igp.com? Please put down the answers in the chat window. Can I say that igp.com has got a backlink from so and so page? Maybe in the form of an image. So the keyword may be in the ALT tag. Keyword may not be there. Question is only simple, whether it is a backlink or not. Well, it is clickable, and when it is clicked, so and so page will open up. Maybe do follow, maybe no follow. I am not asking even that. It is no follow only if it is a backlink, because here you can see the status, the address is not of igp.com, it is some Google Ad Services.com. From there igp.com will open up. So whether do follow, no follow, that is secondary, but whether it is a backlink or not, so just say yes or no. Yes, it is a backlink, say Amit. And what has Priyanka got to say? Most of the people get confused here. It may look like a backlink, but it is not a backlink. But sir, as the definition goes, you click on that, a particular page opens up. It looks very much as a backlink, maybe in the form of an image, but it is a backlink. It may look like a backlink, it may be behaving like a backlink, but very soon I'll prove that it is not a backlink. It is because ads are not there in my website at all. Forget backlinks. This ad is actually not there in my web page. Then how will be a backlink? But sir, it is very clearly visible. Even if you open from other system also, this ad will come. Then how come you are saying that the ad is not there in the website? Ads are still not there in the website. They are there on the browser. That is why when I am using ad block plugin, the ads will not appear. If it is a backlink, no plugin can block it. Because that is there inside your web page. No one can touch that code, only admin can touch it. So while we are using AdBlock plugin, the browser is removing that ad. So what is happening is you need to understand the science behind this code. After you have got an approval from Google AdSense, you take the Google ad code and you place it inside your web page and the ads will start appearing there. I'll show you later how to copy paste that code. These ads are dynamic in nature. But the ads are not coming from your web page. They are coming on the browser. That's why when we are placing the Google ad code, we are only giving the right to Google. Please create a transparent glass kind of layer upon my web page on the browser, and in that glass layer you display the ad wherever I have given you the dimensions so and so particular place. So ads are actually coming in that transparent glass layer on the browser, which is not visible to us. But this small test is proving it. When you are using AdBlock plugin, that glass layer breaks up. When it is in active mode. When it is inactive, that glass layer works. A small test I'll give you. If really this was a backlink to igp.com, then that ahref code has to come into the backend. It has to come here. Let me see. Control F to find. There's nothing like IGP. What is there? This is there. This is the ad code. Because of this code only the ad is appearing there. Where in this code nowhere ahref is mentioned. Only a JavaScript code is mentioned which is telling that please display the ad on the browser's screen. That is what it is. So these are not backlinks, these are only advertisements on the browser. If I am uploading an image like this and that image I am providing a link, then that is a backlink and no ad block plugin can block it, because that is in the form of an image which you have inserted from the admin section. So that's the difference between an advertisement and a backlink. The other day while we were discussing about the keyword research, I told you choose such a keyword where the competition is very less. Why do I tell you to avoid generic keyword like word, computer, mobile, single word keyword, very general? Because for the word mobile example, the top ranking page has got 20 lakh backlinks. Only when you get more than that backlink, there is a scope for you to rank on top. But does it take so much of time to acquire so many backlinks? I've told you that it may take 5 to 20 years. You may have so much of patience to acquire backlink from several websites. Maybe Blogger itself. Remember, site may be your own. You can get backlink from your own other websites. You may get backlink even from free websites. No, does not matter in SEO at all. Owner may be same, but site address has to be different. Owner may be same, site may be free. There is no difference in the value of the backlink. So what I'll do, I'll start creating dummy blogs. abc.blogspot, xyz.blogspot, 123.blogspot. In each of them, I'll publish 10 thousands of pages and I'll give the backlink in the common area like footer. Automatically, in every page of that site, I'll be getting a backlink. I've got 10,000 pages, 10,000 backlinks. Like that, no doubt, you may get easily millions of backlinks. However, what matters in backlink is not the quantity but the quality. Though you may have got number wise more backlinks than even the top most ranked page in Google, but you may not be even showing up in the top 100 because number wise you may be having maximum number of backlinks, but quality wise it may be very low quality. So every backlink has got a weightage. A single backlink may give you only 1 point, it may give you 10 points, it may give you 100 points, 1000 points, million points, multi crore points. The power of backlink is from 0 till infinity. So just acquiring backlinks makes no sense. Acquiring quality backlinks is very important for SEO. But how does a backlink become a quality backlink? For that, it needs to satisfy maximum of these points. In order to get powerful backlinks, every backlink has got a profile. These are the 6 points checked in the profile. Then the weightage is assigned. Then the search engines will see whether with this link shall we give 10 points, 20 points, 100 points, 1000 points, 1 lakh points, 1 million points. So let us understand one by one each of these 6 points. Backlink from high page rank web pages will have very high value. So what is page rank is what we are going to understand in tomorrow's class. But now keep in mind that page rank is, every page will have a page rank. Every page. Page rank has got nothing to do with the ranking position. Page rank is totally different. Tomorrow it will be clear to you. But every web page, whether your page or my page, whether SEO is done or not done, will have a value between 0 to 10. How much high this PR value for the page is, that much better it is for you if you acquire the backlink from there. All this is checked at the source. You need to get the backlink from those kind of pages which have got high PR value. Point number 1. Point number 2. Competitor web pages have got high value. You got to get a backlink from the page whose content is relevant to your page content. This is the most important point among all the 6. This is a weakness for every search engine. So you got to put a star for point number 2. It's also called as contextual links. Not only that, within competitor backlinks also, there is high weightage, low weightage, medium weightage. How much deeply the content is matching, that much high weightage is given. That much multiple points you are going to get from that single link. Example, my page may be based on buy Android mobile. There may be a page based on mobile. From there I got a backlink. There may be a page B where I got a backlink from Android mobile. And a web page C based on buy Android mobile. That has also given me a backlink. All these 3 backlinks are competitor backlinks. But from the web page A, I'll be given 100 points. Web page B, 200 points. Web page C, 300 points. How much deeply the content, core topic of both these pages match, that much high weightage is given for the backlink. So in simple words to say, you have to target the backlink from those pages which are also targeting the same keyword to rank on top. Again comes a big confusion and question here. Why will a competitor give us a backlink, sir? He is also fighting for the same keyword to rank on top. Good question. Now, there are some ways by which both of us may benefit. Example. There are 100 web pages targeting the keyword stock market training in Hyderabad. Everybody is struggling to get competitor backlink. It's like a deadlock situation. No one would want to give link to their competitor. But what if I have a secret deal, let's say with you? You are also into this business, you are also fighting to get backlink, but you are not able to acquire, nor am I able to acquire. There's a deadlock situation. But let us compromise. And I say that I give the link to you and you give the link to me, which is called as a link exchange. Both of them can have mutual benefit. Both of them will get competitor backlink, where easily we could beat the rest of the websites. So by this way, competitor backlinks are a possibility. What I have told you is an illegal way. We are going to discuss both the ways, legal and illegal. But understand the point that competitor backlinks is very, very important. Even with limited backlinks, you'll be able to beat your competitors with heavy number of links. The most important point. Backlink from low external link web pages will have very high value. From whichever pages you have got the backlink, that page may be giving backlink to others also. There is no hard and fast rule that it has to give only to you. He may like other pages, from the same page he may be giving backlinks to even to them. So to how many different web pages it is giving the backlink, that much weightage will also get divided. So ideally you have to get the backlink from those web pages which has got least number of backlinks to others in that page. And if at all you get a backlink from a page which is exclusively for you, then that is called as a maiden backlink, whose value is extremely high but extremely difficult also to acquire. Why would anybody be so affectionate to you that he gives backlink only to you and to no other page? Maybe our own side we can have a maiden backlink, but don't expect that any site which is like where you are a stranger to them, he would give a dedicated backlink to you. So that solo backlink in a page is called as a maiden backlink. Backlink from different domains will have high value than backlink from the same domain. A while back I told you, in the Blogger I can print n number of pages and then acquire the backlink from the common area with least efforts. So I'll be able to acquire plenty of backlinks. But the number may be plenty, but there is no link juice in it. It's like a sugar cane. So an entire sack of sugar cane is present, but the entire juice is drawn out of it. So only there is volume, but there is no juice left in it. While a raw stick, even with one stick of sugar cane, 3 glasses of juices can be drawn. In backlinks, it's the same concept. You need not acquire thousands and millions of backlinks. Acquire only limited few powerful backlinks and you'll see drastic changes in the rank. Rather than acquiring the backlink from the same website from different pages, it's better that you acquire backlink from different websites, abc.com, xyz.com, 123.com, pqr.com. That will have more value. The backlink from government sites, educational websites, MIL stands for military, and organization websites will have very high value. They have multiplier effect. These links are also called as high authority backlinks. You may note down that word besides this point, also called as high authority backlinks. So there's a ratio of the power which we'll be seeing later. So for any backlink that you get, all these 6 points are checked, then the points are assigned. Whether that from that single link, 10 points should be given, 100 points, 1000 points, whatsoever. So I end with this point. So at this stage, we have understood that backlinks are very important in SEO. In fact, the heart of SEO is the backlinks. But then it's not the number which is important, it is the quality. And the quality of the backlinks is based on these 6 points. Today we have seen how to calculate number of backlink. Tomorrow we shall see how to calculate power of backlink.